Hey it's Angeline. How are ya? I hope you're doing great this week. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to add dimension on your card. I'm starting off with this Like a Lotus stamp set by Unity Stamp, and I'm also grabbing some American Crafts crayon markers here. They're kind of like your regular crayons, but kind of just in a tube so that you don't have to get your hands dirty. So I'm just going to use these to color in my lotus flowers today. So I'm just putting some color down on the flowers, and if you kind of like this rough edge look, you can actually stop here right now, but I'm just going to add more colors and blend them in later using my fingers. So here I'm just using my fingers to just smoosh the colors together to get a smoother and blended look, and this will kind of help your colors blend together, and you don't need any fancy tools. All you need is your fingers. So here I've already fussy cut out the lotus flowers, and I'm grabbing some Nuvo drops here in 3 different colors, and I'm going to create my cut base here first, putting down some pattern paper. And because I want the lotus to kind of look like it's floating above the water or on the water, so I'm creating the swirls for the flowers. Here I'm trying to gauge where the swirls should be by just placing the stamp right above it. And once I'm happy with the position, I'm grabbing all my colors here to create more swirls and dimension on the card. So once you're happy with the position, just place your lotus down onto your card, and the Nuvo drops will kind of act like an adhesive as well. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this really quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!